Welcome back, English learners. I'm Marco.
And I'm Erica. We're thrilled to bring you another installment in our sports-focused series today.
Indeed. Our topic for this episode is America's cherished national pastime, baseball.
That's right. It's an intriguing sport, immensely popular across the United States, Japan, and Korea, with strong roots in the Caribbean, too.
Beyond just the game, we'll dive deep into specific baseball terminology.
And even more fascinating, we'll explore how baseball has profoundly shaped the English language itself. So much to uncover.
Let's kick things off by listening to our main dialogue.
Similarly, in daily life, strike one indicates a first mistake. If you accumulate strike two and strike three, there are often significant consequences, like being fired from a job, or for kids facing a timeout, or being grounded by parents.
The pitcher delivered a curveball, literally a pitch that curves rather than going straight. Metaphorically, a curveball refers to an unexpected problem or a difficult, surprising situation. For example, my boss threw me a curveball today, so I'm working late. Or her question about how many kids I want was a total curveball.
Our final phrase is the well-known home run. In baseball, it's hitting the ball out of the park for an automatic score. In other contexts, hitting a home run means achieving a significant success or a major victory. Think, you really hit a home run with that sales presentation, or our team doubled revenue this month, a true home run.
It truly signifies a substantial achievement.
We've explored so many fantastic baseball phrases that seamlessly integrate into everyday English, and there are countless others.
To reinforce these terms within their original context, let's listen to the baseball commentary one final time.
Greetings, baseball enthusiasts, and a warm welcome back to today's thrilling match. I'm Rick Fields.
And I'm Bob Copeland, ready to bring you all the action. What a magnificent day to witness two elite teams battle for championship glory.
The national anthem has just concluded and the umpire has signaled the start of play. It's truly time for some baseball.
Roger Vargas steps up to the plate. The pitcher winds up and that's strike one.
A truly impressive curveball. The catcher signals, the pitcher goes through his windup again, and Vargas connects with a powerful line drive.
The fielders are scrambling wildly to retrieve the ball. Vargas reaches first base, but he's not stopping.
The outfielder hurls it towards second, Vargas slides in, and he's safe. What an incredible play.
Now, with a runner on third, Brian Okami is next to bat. Here comes the pitch. He hits it. It's soaring, and that ball is gone. A spectacular home run by Okami.
That blast puts their team 2 runs ahead here in the bottom of the 5th inning at Ritchie Stadium. That was an engaging dialogue about a truly fascinating sport. Honestly, I never played baseball much as a kid.
Me neither, and it's not my favorite sport to watch. But attending a live game, especially in the U.S., with hot dogs and the atmosphere, is quite an experience.
It's more than just a game. It's a significant cultural event, a cornerstone of American identity.
Absolutely. We encourage all of you to visit our website, EnglishPod.com. Share your thoughts, ask any questions, and if you know other baseball-related phrases, please tell us about them there.
We look forward to seeing you online. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, goodbye.
Bye.